Well, I'm Wayne, aka Jamie.
And I am Ashlex, aka Ashley.
And the topic today is my sister's annoying boyfriend.
Yes, very annoying. See,
You're looking at yourself.
we were making a video, and then he was knocking at the door.
Which is quite funny.
Yes. And he came in and stopped our video.
It's like, she left, she came back, she pushed the stop button, and then she went and sat on the couch with him. And then she decides, oh, let's go make out and touch each other. So they left out the front door so nobody could see him.
Nope.
What's with that?
Doesn't make any sense.
She never makes sense.
I know.
She's crazy. But it doesn't matter. So anyway, are we posting this on YouTube?
Yes.
Then I have a question. Do your siblings have weird boyfriends or girlfriends? What's wrong with them? I want to know. Does Ashlex have a question?
No, not
You
really.
need a question.
Ashley has a question.
We each have to have a question that they have to answer in the comment. And look at your camera, not yourself. Thank you.
What? I don't really have a question.
So for this video, just forget her question and ask mine. If you forgot, rewind. Okay, on to the next topic. What was the next topic? I forgot. Oh yeah,
Text
weird text message slang. What the heck? I just got this weird text message. You wanna know what it said? You wanna know what it said? HDJ.
What?
What does that mean?
I am clueless.
I got this other one last night. It's quite hilarious.
And it was what?
That one I showed you in the mall?
Oh, that one. That wasn't slang though. That was more like,
Funny stuff.
let's go walk in flowers naked.
No, it was
Make
like,
out.
oh, I'll show you. Well, I'll tell you. I can't show you.
It's quite hilarious.
Exactly.
And it's vibrating right now.
It says, yeah, we can take our clothes off, run outside, meet in a field of flowers, and make sweet, sweet love.
What was that one you sent me earlier? I did not understand. It said something like,
Oh, that
Like
was
2 8.
was loser, but me not completely. It was just like me just pressing it without it.
anyways,
Yeah,
phones are retarded.
emerald. I was supposed to put confusing, not emerald. Don't laugh at me.
I didn't know.
Confused.
I just think it's funny that they're outside making out right now. We should go lock them out or something.
I'll be right back. I'm gonna go lock the door. I'll be right back.
KK.
Look at the camera, not yourself.
I'm looking at the camera. We should so like
I
just
have anger problems.
put some kind of thing right there.
So, you better talk to that thing.
It's just me and you here together. She's
So they're not making out.
running, and what are they doing?
They're sitting on the.
No, they're not.
They're
They're
sitting
making out.
on the porch. Well, they haven't.
They have it. They probably already have it.
Excuse me a moment. I just burped. Singing a song all day long at Hogwarts. I found the source of the ticking. It's a pipe bomb. Yay!
We're very random people.
You look at the camera. You just always look at yourself. And you're just so mesmerized by your beauty. We need another topic.
Weird vibrating noises. Very random. What's another good topic?
So we didn't plan but 2 topics.
Facebook.
I like MySpace better.
I used to love MySpace. No, I love Facebook.
It's just a Facebook. You just. I
But
like.
every time you get on, it's changed. What's on your mind? There's nothing on my mind.
I never update my Facebook status
Just a brain.
ever.
In my head.
But she doesn't use, because apparently you don't need one.
You really don't. You know,
Actually, you do.
I saw this. I saw this shirt. I was gonna get it yesterday.
I saw a shirt too, but I didn't really want it.
And it said, I'm not trying to be difficult. It comes naturally.
It comes naturally. So we've recorded for
I have a
almost 6
question.
minutes. Look at the camera.
My question is,
She finally has a question.
which one do you like better? Facebook or MySpace?
Or
And why?
if there's another one you like better. What is it?
We don't want Twitter, because Twitter sucks.
I use Twitter.
I'm sorry. Sorry that you use Twitter. That's what I'm sorry.
For all you Twitter people. Just, you know,
We love you, America!
look at you. Look at the camera, yourself. Look at the camera.
You might as well get up. Get up. Give up.
Okay, so that was her question. I already. I already said my question.
Oh my god. Have y'all seen that little thing where it's like, oh, they always kill Kenny? In the end, he's always dead.
Does he ever come back?
No. Yes. Every single episode.
So obviously he does if he kills him every time. This looks like there's something in our what do you call that? What do you call that? Our air conditioning vent.
Oh, I have another question. I want to know if I sound like Stitch. Okay, hold on.
Oh Lord, she's showing off.
Wait. What should I say? Blue Bunny Buggy?
I suppose.
Wait, let me test it. Blue Punch Buggy. Does that sound like Stitch?
I suppose. No.
It sounds like Stitch to me.
Are you done?
My bottom lip just fell on the floor.
Pinched a nerve. Oh yeah, we squeak when we laugh. That was just the weirdest accent ever.
Well, we have to go now because we're gonna make another video in like 2 minutes. So,
Goodbye.
my friend.
I'll miss you all. Bye. Bye.